Canada has joined the EU's Security Action for Europe (SAFE program, a significant move that could unlock defense procurement opportunities worth €150 billion. This initiative is expected to bolster Canada's military capabilities by facilitating access to advanced European defense technologies and suppliers. The program's focus on joint military procurement aims to enhance readiness and interoperability among participating nations. Germany is preparing to activate its Arrow 3 missile shield, a critical enhancement to its national defense capabilities. This long-range missile defense system is set to become operational, marking a significant step in Germany's strategic defense posture. The Arrow 3 system is designed to intercept ballistic missiles outside the Earth's atmosphere, providing a robust shield against potential threats. France is advancing its military capabilities with plans to deploy drone swarms within 2 years. Thales, a leading defense contractor, is spearheading the development of these swarms, which are expected to revolutionize military operations by providing enhanced surveillance and combat capabilities. The integration of drone swarms into the French military underscores the growing importance of unmanned systems in modern warfare. Turning to the markets, Palantir Technologies, ticker symbol PLTR, saw its shares rise by 1.91% to $170.69. This increase is linked to the potential boost in defense opportunities from Canada's participation in the EU's SAFE program. As a company known for its data analytics and defense solutions, Palantir stands to benefit from increased defense spending and collaborative projects within the EU framework. AeroVironment, ticker symbol AVAV, experienced a 2.77% increase, reaching $264.95. The rise is attributed to France's upcoming adoption of drone swarms, which highlights the expanding market for advanced drone technologies. AeroVironment, a key player in the drone sector, is well-positioned to capitalize on the growing demand for unmanned aerial systems. Amphenol Corporation, ticker symbol APH, climbed 1.63% to $141.49, driven by NATO's increased maritime presence in the Norwegian Sea. This strategic deployment is expected to enhance demand for Amphenol's advanced interconnect systems, which are crucial for military communications and electronic systems used in maritime operations. RTX Corporation, ticker symbol RTX, rose 0.46% to $168.80 following the award of a $1.6 billion contract for F-135 engine sustainment. This contract supports the global readiness of the F-35 fighter jet, reinforcing RTX's position as a leading defense contractor with strong ties to military aviation programs. For investors, today's actionable takeaways: 1. Canada's SAFE program entry boosts North American defense prospects. 2. Germany's Arrow 3 activation enhances European missile defense. 3. Monitor drone sector growth with France's swarm deployment plans.